It's Gregory Gettner, and this is an original called I Learned to Fly. In those low-cut jeans with those blue eyes, we walked the beaches and then we walked through the park. We made the world so bright, but now it's dark. Then I didn't know you'd be my girl and then my wife. Gotta learn to fly. Gotta get my feet off the ground, get it really high. I just gotta learn to fly. Fly high. 'Cause we love to walk on the open shore, two pairs of prints in the sand. Each moment we shared in love opens another door. Together we could dream beyond the distant lands. Now I gotta learn to fly. Gotta get my feet off the ground really high. I just have to learn to fly. Fly real high. Your hair was blonde and it turned brown to gray, but it was prettier each and every day. Don't know where the universe took you. It's time. I feel you're really gone and I'm left behind. I just need to learn to fly. Jump my feet off the ground just so high. Climb a mountaintop, jump, go to fly. Fly high. Rounded the dark part of the moon, through galaxies, nebulas, somewhere. Sped past worlds a light year. I'm not afraid, but some tears, 'cause I'm learning how to fly. As the light dims in behind my brown eyes, I see you clearly, you're closer now. I'm lighter and faster, and I'm on my way. 'Cause I know how to fly. We'll be be together again.